Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable automations with Slack alerts, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Airtable automations with Slack alerts, start by logging into your Airtable account. Open the base you want to work with. Navigate to the Automations tab located in the top menu. Click on Create an automation to begin setting up your new automation. In the first section, select the trigger that will start your automation. For example, you can choose when a record is created or when a record enters a view. Once you've selected your trigger, connect the relevant table from your base. Next, configure the trigger by specifying any additional conditions required. Click on the plus Add Action button to define what happens after the trigger activates. Choose Send a Slack message from the list of available actions. Next, connect your Slack account by clicking on the Sign in to Slack button. Follow the prompts to authorize Airtable to send messages on your behalf. After authorization, select the Slack channel where you want the alert to be sent. In the message section, type the content you want to include in your alert. You can use variables from your Airtable record to personalize the message. Once you've finished customizing the message, click on Test Action to ensure it works. Airtable will attempt to send a test message to your selected Slack channel. Check your Slack application to confirm that the test message was received. If the test is successful, return to the Automation Settings page. Toggle the switch from off to on to activate your automation. Your Airtable automation with Slack alerts is now fully set up. You can return at any time to edit or monitor the automation's performance. Make sure to test the automation with real data to ensure everything functions as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.